Now let's have a look at our new double head cutting saw. For the new double head cutting saw, there have three places changed. First is the control system. Control system changed to Qingluan. Before we can use the Delta and the InnoOne, but now it's Qingluan. This is the PC. And the second place is the protector cover. Protector cover will be changed like this. And the third is the control panel. Control panel installed here. Now we have a look at how it's working. From here, this is the remote control function. If you need any support, you just give me the code, will be okay. And here is the control system we log in. And this we use the menu. From this stand for the left, right, saw head. Change from 45 or 90, 45 or 90. Linked means double work together. From here, you can set up the cutting quantity. It will be counted. This is height, means will measure the profile height automatically. From the length, length means you can set up your needed cutting length. I will show you. For example, now we cutting this, enter, and moving. You can see the head will move. This is for set up the length. And from this, press left saw blade, press cut like this, like press, like cut, and machine will cutting. After you set up wheel, you can also operate from here. For this machine, okay.